So here I've taken a vessel which didn't get cleaned up in the dishwasher and it was burnt. So I just take little wool, and it is copper wool. I just add a little detergent, like 1 drop, and just pour little water and just scrub it, and it just comes out. So here it just got clean, and I just had to just scrub for a second, and here it's so clean. It's all clean, and I have my chai vessel back. Enjoy. So here I'm going to give a tip to those people who are having infertility problem. So when you cut an onion and when you see this top bulb, you should never eat. You should discard it because this causes PCOD, PCOS and infertility, and people with all this problems should never eat this. They should always clean up like how I have cleaned up. So this should never be taken by people who have tumors, cancers. All this gives tumors and cancers and PCOD, infertility. So better to avoid all this. So I thrash a lot when I cut onions. So you can see how I have done here also. I've removed the whole top part. I'll tell you the benefits of drinking water from a copper vessel. It removes all the toxins and the water has to be stored in the night, and you can drink this water only the next day morning. So it kills all the germs or fungus it has in the water, and it's naturally killed because it's in the copper vessel. And no infection can touch your body because the copper vessel is so effective. And you have to drink the water on an empty stomach, and it helps you in digestion of your foods, aids in weight loss, and it cuts down on any fat cells, which makes you losing excess body weight. And it makes a very great drink, and it is very good in anti-inflammatory things, and it can see to it that it doesn't makes you gain weight. It's very good. So here I was doing something and my finger just got cut, and here it's bleeding, and you can see it's real blood. I'm not faking it. And here I'll just take a pinch of turmeric and just put it on my finger. So here I'm just adding little turmeric to my finger. So this will stop my bleeding immediately. And I'll just rub it. See, the bleeding just stops. So turmeric is a natural antiseptic, and it stops the bleeding right away. I've taken 2 spoons of turmeric. I'm toasting this turmeric so well. I'm roasting it actually, and I'm roasting it till it becomes dark brown. See, the turmeric is already changing its color. It's already become so dark brown and blackish. This is the perfect color which we want, and this is very good once it gets burned. This is called burnt turmeric, and I'm adding water over here. You actually need to add a little more water and make it a good paste, like a toothpaste actually. This is the best paste which you can do, and keep it store it in the fridge. And keep it in a glass bottle, and if sometimes your hand burns or if you have a cut, you can apply it on the cuts and wounds, like how I'm showing you on my finger. If I had a cut over there, it would have healed. So I've taken red onions and I've sliced them, and I'm going to tell you a home remedy if you're lost your sense of smell and you've lost your sense of taste. Just take this cut onions, and it should be red onions. Now over here I'm adding some lemon juice or lime juice, like 1 teaspoon. Just saute it well, and keep sauteing it well till it becomes a brown color. And I've kept it on a very high heat. Let it be on a very high heat. Keep sauteing it well. It should become dark brown. You just pick it up and start eating. They taste very good, and your immunity will work very nicely, and your loss of smell will come back, and you'll start smelling things again. 5 or 6 bundles of cilantro, I've started chopping, and after chopping I'll freeze them in my zippy bag. So I've put this in the Ziploc, and now I'll freeze it, and this will last me around for 6 months also. So this is the cilantro which I chopped, and this is 3 months old cilantro which I picked up from the freezer. This is how it looks. It doesn't go bad, it doesn't changes its color. I think you guys freezer must be on a very lowest temperature. So my this one looks like this, and it is so crunchy. Can you hear? It's so crunchy. I just pick it up like this and I put it in my foods. Here I've washed it well, I've rinsed it well, and this is how I got it, and it looks so good and clean and clear. So we have done this. Now I'll dry it up for 1 hour or something, and I'll season it with some oil and put some salt and all. Got this in the air fryer now, and I'm closing it. I'll just on it. Now I'll try to keep it for 20 minutes because it's not much, and we'll keep it at 320. So it's got cooked well. I got the sound, and this is how it looks. Oh, it's so hot. Now I'll add some salt. Here is some salt. I'll just sprinkle some salt and keep it back again so that it will get moisture. For friends, I'm taking here 2% milk, and I just take only half cup, but you guys can drink 1 cup. Just because nobody else wants to drink in my family, I'm using half cup. This milk and keep it in the microwave and heat it very well. And I'm adding some turmeric, and it's already yellow, and I take a bit of black pepper also and add it, and you can add a spoon of sugar. And I'm adding half a spoon of sugar too because my children like it with little sugar. So mix it well. Take the milk and drink it, friends. This turmeric milk is very good for good nails, good hair. It's good for your hair. It gives good calcium, and black pepper added with turmeric is very good because it gives more benefits, and you can take more nutrients.